My iPad is in coma.
Staring at the tapestry above the
See how like you're ready on my forehead.
I still
Happy birthday, Ola!
you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we both?
My iPad is in coma.
I'm coming down. Drink my water.
Trying to do like a quick surgery.
Stay tuned. You will soon hear interesting news on this.
So like, yeah. So I'm trying to see if I can restart it, like force restart it. It does it. But I need my Mac, so my laptop is here now, and I'm going to do that. So just come back from work. But I'm just praying that my iPad wakes up because it just has to wake up. So I am pressing the thingy, but it's not coming on, as you can see. And I've been doing this since. It's not like it's dead because I've charged it. If it's even dead, you'll see the thingy to charge your iPad. So I have my laptop. Yes. So let's perform the surgery. Yeah. So pissed because if I have to flash it, then all the things on my iPad is gone, which I can as well get them. But I've been editing on CapCut, and I'm almost done with this my shade all, so I have to start from the beginning because it's not saved. But I'd rather start from the beginning than get to the fault that needs not starting. So but it's just going to be a never complete. So with the iPad is plugged, so I can restore it because I'm seeing iPad restore, so I can restore it. And so it says software iPad DFU mode. If you're experiencing a problem with this iPad, you can restore its original setting by clicking restore iPad. So see how my hands is so fast.
I'm scared for my life. Martin, bitte was. Martin, bitte was.
I don't know what to say, but we're back, baby.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. The operation was successful, and I can tell you that my baby is back. So the downside now is that I have to get everything again. I don't mind. Like, my iPad is back. What else do I? So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and I'm also going to work. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yep. Yo. Good night. Good night, guys. I won't take out I'm ready to take a side already. So I'm going to do that before going to bed. So I most likely see a movie while checking it out because it's kind of rough. And I cannot wait till the weekend. So I'm taking out this because I'm busy this weekend actually. So I might as well start today. Yeah, hopefully I pray I can finish it before 12. Okay, so I'm done taking out my hair and I need to clean this room and go to bed because it is 11 o'clock. So, guys, good morning. Today's Friday and we are going to the office as usual. I don't know what I want to do to my hair. I don't know yet, but I'm thinking of doing braids, but I'm like next week because look, my front hair all gone. So yeah, we're going to the office this Friday. We'll get to the office, and this is what I am wearing. I'm wearing this top and this pants.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As they say the story goes. Maybe now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Maybe when you broke my heart, that I had to come again. And show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you...
Hey guys, I am back from the salon and I've done my nails. Can you tell? So I did this. Oh, it looks so much better on the camera. What? Like, I did it. It is 3:50 and Olamide's birthday is for 4. But of course, I'm not going by 4. I'm gonna be like around 5 or 6. I need to tidy my room and do my weekly reset. I'm going to go like around 6. 5:30, 6-ish, that's not crazy. But it's also in Lekki, so yeah. And I'll stay all through to like in the night, then I'll come back. She was like, there's going to be a pool, so I can also come with my my swimming costume, so I am going to pack that. Ever since I learned how to swim, I'm always excited for any pool party. It's just enter the pool. It's just, I'm like, yeah. So yeah, so if you guys have any pool party, invite me. Now I am swimming. I'm not just going to stay in the water. I'm swimming. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are ready to go. I'm done getting ready, and it's 7:19. I said I was going to leave by 5:36, but I got busy, so I'm leaving now. Waiting for my ride, and then we'll leave in like 5 minutes. So yeah, I feel so bad, but because the appointment, the invitation said from 4, and this is 7, which is crazy. But I already spoke to her, so that's cool. So I'll see you guys at Olamide's place.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets. I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to sleep? Can we go face our demons? Can we?
Hi. I promise you.
So this is the birthday girl.
Yeah. I actually have like the happy birthday on my forehead. So. Hi. Hi. That's just what you said. I think they are calling us. Oh, what are you like? I was wondering. Happy birthday, Ola! Happy birthday! It is that double effect.
Double effect.
Double effect.
Now I'm drunk on Chardonnay that I bought for our picnic day, and we never got to drink it, so I'm writing what I'm thinking. If you told me sooner, I was sure that it was me. You used to want to hold me close, you used to want all of me. What's the reason for your tears?